Welcome back to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can create or even add your own music on Canva. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So first thing, let me show you how to add any music, the music which is available in Canva, which is free for you to use. So the music which is free to use on Canva, you want to go on where it says elements. Once you're inside elements, what you want to do is go on where it says search and then search for music. And once you search for music, the music is going to be displayed. Now you can choose whichever music you want. So scroll a bit down, and as you guys can see, the audio, click on see all. Now there's tons of audio over here, but if you see this little pro icon, you need to get the premium version of Canva, but the one which does not have this little icon is free to use. So try to search, because there's music which is free to use in Canva always. Once you see the music, you can just click on the music and it'll be added over here just like this. Now once the music is added, you can edit it, cut it, do anything you want. Now if you want to add your custom music, what you want to do is go on uploads, and on upload you want to drag and drop your music over here. So let's say this is the music I want to use. I can just drag it and drop it over here on Canva like this, and it'll start to upload. And once it's uploaded, you want to come on uploads and go on the audio section, and the music which you just uploaded is going to appear over here. Now you just want to click on the music and the music will be added over here. So that's how you guys can add a custom music or add the music which is on Canva. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step for more Canva related videos just like this. Now I have multiple music over here because I have added multiple music. Now if you don't want any music, you can just click on the music and just click on delete on your keyboard, and they will be deleted just like this. So yeah, that's it everybody. Bye bye.